how to install Git on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. And once we open our browser, on the search bar, just search for Git. And then once you search that, you will see this website right here, which is git-sem.com. So all you have to do is to click on that, and then you will be redirected into this part. Now, what we're going to do on the download part, so if you're using a different operating system, so just choose which one you're using right here. Since I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click Windows. So once we click it right there, the next thing that we need to do is to click the latest version, which is right here. So just click that one, and then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, just click Open File. And then once you click Open File, just click Next again. And then if you go here on this part, so if you want to add additional icons, you can do that, but I will just leave it as it is. So I'm going to click Next also. And then in this part, if you want to put the folder of the Git right here into a different location, you can do that by just clicking the browse right here. And then in this part, of course, by doing that, if you want to change it, it's up to you. But I will just leave it as it is, and then also click Next. Now in this part, if you click right here, so you will have a bunch of choices right here that you can choose. But of course, I will just leave it as it is again. And then I'm going to click Next. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click override the default branch name for repositories. So just click that and then click Next again. And then from this part, just click Next again. And then in this part, just choose use bundled open SSH. So if you want to choose this one right here, it's up to you, but I will just also leave it as it is. And then on in this part, just click Next again. And then for this part, for configuring the line ending conversions, it's up to you again. So I'm just going to click Next again. And then also on this part, so you can just, of course, answer this on your own. So it is up to you. It is optional. So I'm just going to click Next again. And then just on this part, click Git Credential Manager. And then click Next again. And then click Install. And then let's wait for it to finish. Once it is done, just click Finish right here. And then once you do that, it is now installed on your Windows 11. So that is basically it. That is how to install Git on Windows 11.